Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1276, and today's topic is autoimmune disease causes, symptoms and treatment. When I say autoimmune disease, means when in your body your own immune cells they start attacking to your normal body cells and they are causing serious damage of your organ cells, of your muscles, of your bone, the whole body. And that condition is serious where they will attack even your pancreas, which is producing insulin hormone. Your pancreas will be damaged, your thyroid gland will be damaged, and different type of health condition will be there. Your joint ligament, your joint muscles and nerves will be damaged. You will suffer from diabetes because of pancreatic cell damage, and also you will suffer from Parkinson's, means nerve damage will be there. So this condition shows that you are suffering from autoimmune disease where your immune cells, they are failing to recognize the enemy cells, pathogens, and they are attacking your normal body cells and damaging and causing lot of health problem. And it happens when the cytokine or T cell proteins, they are produced in excess, and that is the reason, that's why they start attacking our body normal cells, and it is causing serious problem. And today there are a lot of people globally who are suffering. 26 to 30% of the global population, they are suffering from autoimmune disease, and I am going to show you all the symptoms one by one to make you to understand. Here in image you can see it is called lupus condition or lupus disease because of autoimmune condition, means your all the organs are affected. Your kidney will start bleeding, your cell will be damaged, and there are some other organs, your lung and your respiratory system, all your different part of the body, your skin, your thyroid gland, they are all affected because of this autoimmune condition, means attacking the cells. And this is the condition where you will get lot of health issue in different organs. Now because of that, you can see here in image mouth and nose ulceration is there. It's because of this autoimmune disease, and also there is a lot of problem in the lung, respiratory system, lung leakage and pneumonia and pulmonary their humerus problem. These are all serious health condition caused by autoimmune disease. So here in this, it is called multiple sclerosis disease. Here this autoimmune cells, they are going to damage your neuron cells, nerve cells. That's why you will face lot of problem, and the holding the cup or any item will be very difficult. You will not be having a strong grip, and there will be always shaking and trembling. That is because of autoimmune disease. And here it is shown that how this nerve neuron cells are damaged, and it is affecting not only hand, it is affecting whole body system. This condition is where your thyroid gland cells are damaged, and this is called thyroiditis and is commonly known as the disease that is your Hashimoto disease. And in this condition, what is happening? There will be lot of inflammation, and you can see here that bulging and lot of inflammation is there, and that normal your thyroid gland is having the bulky mass, and that is because of that is known as that is Hashimoto's thyroiditis attack. It is autoimmune disease. And also your joint pain and inflammation, chronic inflammation, acute inflammation is caused by autoimmune disease, and that is called rheumatoid arthritis. It will be very difficult for you to walk because of the severe pain. And I have already told you that 25 to 30% global population they are suffering, but here male are not having much problem. This disease, that is autoimmune disease, mostly 80% are female. So it is very much we can say found in female, and mostly when we are crossing the age of 70, after 50 it starts, where someone who is having genetic defect or some problem because of that, this problem will start. So here this summary of autoimmune disease, and some risk factors are given, and symptoms and treatment I will be telling you later on. So number one, an autoimmune disease occurs when our body immune system mistakenly attack and damage its own normal cells. Just like that, you have Megadi or watchman to take care of your house, and you start attacking your own surveillance man. And then when thief or enemy is coming, you are not able to recognize. You fail to recognize, and the immune failure is the cause of autoimmune disease, normal cells, tissues, and organs. And once they have started attacking their own normal cells, then your all organ, your whole body, joint, kidney, lung, every part of the body is affected. And then system protects against pathogen like bacteria, virus, and foreign injuries. They are not attacking all those pathogens, virus or bacteria, rather they are attacking their own cells. Number two, in autoimmune disease, the immune system fails to recognize between own normal cells and enemy cells like pathogen, bacteria, and virus. And this can lead to various health conditions, including I have given here number three, that is organ disease. So once anybody who is suffering from autoimmune disease, your two health problems will come. One is where your organs will be affected, and second is non-organ, means your whole body is affected. So once it is organ disease is Hashimoto's disease. I have already told you that Hashimoto disease means where there will be inflammation of your thyroid gland, and that inflammation is called thyroiditis. And thyroiditis is because of the attack of your thyroid gland, and you have seen in the photo that because of inflammation there is swelling and a lot of bulging cells are appearing, and that condition is called thyroiditis, and that is called Hashimoto's disease. Number two is multi-sclerosis. Multi-sclerosis, I have already shown you, it is the damage of your neuron cell or nerve cells. So your nervous system will be weak, and it will be difficult for you even to hold your cup or any item in your hand, because your nerves are damaged because of that is condition is autoimmune disease, where your nerve cells are damaged and they are destroyed by the attack of your cytokine or your own immune system cells. And the third one is that is rheumatoid arthritis is very common, well-known autoimmune disease, and where your joint lining and tender and muscular cells, they are attacked by your immune system cells, and because of that there will be severe pain and deformation of your joint, especially the knee joint. That is called rheumatoid arthritis. And then joint lining cells will be also attacked in that. Number 4, type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes is caused because your pancreatic cells, they are damaged, and which are responsible for producing a very important hormone to metabolize the sugar, glucose, and those hormones are known as insulin. So insulin will be produced in less quantity, restricted, because your lot of pancreatic cells which are responsible for producing the insulin are damaged by your autoimmune disease. So anybody who is having diabetes means he is having the condition of autoimmune disease. He's suffering from that. And then that is non-organ disease. Non-organ disease is your lupus. Lupus is a condition of autoimmune disease where your whole body is involved. Your skin, your nail, your hair, your eye, your kidney, all part. I have already shown you lupus disease. They are affected by that attack to all the cells, affect multiple body part like skin, joints, lungs, kidneys. Pyrosis causes the skin inflammation. That is also autoimmune disease. Then the risk factors. What are the risk factors? First, genetic factor. First condition is a genetic factor, then environmental factor, then hormone imbalance, and family history, and of course stress management. So I have given here some common symptoms of autoimmune disease, their diagnosis and treatment. So here, number 5, symptoms of autoimmune disease. Number 1, joint pain and inflammation of joint muscles. And number 2, weakness and feeling of fatigue and tiredness. That is also one of the symptoms of autoimmune disease. Number 3, frequently skin rashes. Always you are getting some eczema, some rash, or some type of redness. Your skin is not stable. It shows that you are having the condition of autoimmune disease. Then mild fever. Always frequently you get mild fever appearing, disappearing. It means autoimmune disease there means your own immune cells are damaging, attacking your normal cells. Then number 5, muscle cramp and weakness. Then digestive issue. Your digestive system will be having some problem of indigestion, constipation, diarrhea. Always it will be disturbed. And 7, hair loss. Many people they fail to understand that hair loss is because of some element or some protein problem. No, it is clear cut the problem of autoimmune disease because lot of epithelial cells are damaged, and because of that the hair loss is there. Now treatment. First, it is medication. Medication means you have to take that is immunosuppressant tablets or anti-inflammatory, very, very good non-steroidal tablets and capsules are available that will take care of inflammation. And then lifestyle modification means you have to change your diet, and then exercise. Also, stress management is important. And finally, if all these things are not working, then you consult your physician, neurologist, surgeons jointly and get ready for surgery, especially in rheumatoid arthritis or some other inflammation condition because of autoimmune disease. Surgery is their final option. Then statistics. Up to 30% of global population is suffering from autoimmune disease, and here if once you are around 80 years means you are at high risk of getting autoimmune disease, and females are at high risk because 78 to 80% female they get and they suffer from this autoimmune disease. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.